Hello everyone! My name is Sparky, and 2026 will be my third year participating in Artfight. As the 2026 season approaches, along with the 10th anniversary, I'd like to go over some tips to help keep you safe on Artfight. Let's get into it.
Mama, a girl behind you.
Staying safe on Artfight shouldn't just be about you. We need to keep the site accessible for everyone. Please add content filters to your characters and images, since you never know who's going to end up seeing them. I have seen way too much unfiltered content that could trigger someone with epilepsy or trypophobia. Unfiltered body horror could also harm someone who struggles with hallucinations. Review the filtering guide in TOS before participating so you know what is and is not allowed on sites. Additionally, do not attack someone with a content filter without their explicit permission. If they don't clarify in their global permissions, ask them! Also, minors can get in trouble for submitting suggestive art or extreme nudity to the site, both because the poster is underage, but also because they cannot add filters to that content.
That's not what the fans want to see. That's literally what the fans don't want to see.
Global character permissions are a core part of keeping yourself safe on Artfight. They are where you can set your boundaries around what you do and do not want to be attacked with. Global character permissions are automatically displayed on each character's profile unless you manually disable them. A good place to start is by disclosing which content filters you don't want to be attacked with. If you do not explicitly state you don't want that content, someone is going to make it of your characters. State your boundaries clearly. Leave no room for interpretation, but also try to avoid saying too much or using complex words for non-native English speakers. Avoid using global permissions to state what's okay for each of your characters. Instead, use character permissions, which are built-in and specific to each character. You can use character permissions to say anything you want, such as design notes and features that aren't optional. Individual character permissions do not override your global character permissions unless you explicitly state so. If someone doesn't follow your permissions, message them about it first, and if they refuse to fix it, report it! Blatant disrespect of a user's permissions is a bannable offense. Do not be afraid to stand up for yourself.
Dragon Ball Z, yeah, my anime fans. Marvel Universes, Spider-Man. Tom today, not Jerry. Who is this? Who is this?
A good rule of thumb is to add both your username and your character's ID to all of their reference images. I've heard many stories of people forgetting to bookmark a character, drawing an attack for said character, and then being unable to find them. Watermarks should not come at the detriment of artists wanting to attack your character. When I see a character watermarked like this, I immediately lose all interest in drawing them. Not only can you straight up barely see the character underneath, but you also cannot color pick from their reference. When making a watermark, please make sure the font you use is legible. Watermarks like this are ineffective since they are extremely hard to read, especially for those with poor vision or dyslexia. This kind of watermark will not help people find you if your art is stolen. This, however, is an effective watermark. The font is legible, high contrast, and it does not greatly obstruct the reference image.
I thought this was supposed to be the most advanced security system on the planet.
Finally, I want to talk to you about two-factor authentication. Setting up 2FA greatly reduces the risk of your account being hijacked should there be another data breach. At most, it'll take 10 minutes to set up, so please look into it. So, do you have any tips I might have missed for staying safe on Artfight? Comment them below, it might help someone. If you're looking for more Artfight advice this season, check out this playlist of my other videos. Thanks for watching and stay Sparky!